Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EUR/FX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So yesterday the Fed has raised the rate for 75 basis points as it was expected. But more important, what Jerome Powell has said in the press conference, we will take in-depth view in our weekly report as usual, because it is important for nearer term perspective for all markets actually. In two words speaking, it was really very few actually dovish moments, so almost no dovish moments in the statement. It was just some common phrase that yes, at some point we need to reduce the pace, but in general overall tone of the statement was relatively hawkish, and it suggested that Fed should intend to keep interest rate rising. I suspect that also Jerome Powell probably already know what the payrolls will be, at least probably with this statement suggests that numbers that we will get tomorrow hardly will be too bad. It should be probably somewhere around expectation, maybe slightly worse than expected, but in general with no drastic shift compared to the general overall trend of the payrolls. So relative strength of the job market lets Fed to stay on the course of the more tightening. So as you could see, the fundamental analysis that we have prepared, as on the Forex market in the recent couple of weeks when we have discussed whether Fed comes to pivot or not, should we expect some decreasing of the pace of the rate change. As in the Bitcoin analysis that we have prepared in October, fundamental analysis, in both analyses we have come to conclusion that it's too early to speak about Fed pivot. So, you could see actually what has happened on the markets was volatility, speculative volatility here is just spike up on the starting press conference, but later in the session, market has shown solid bearish reversal session. So we have moved above the top of the previous session and closed below its lows. And take a look, we have actually tail closing. So this suggests that we should get downside continuation. Whether it will be slightly deeper or it will be significantly deeper back to the lows, which I suspect has more chances to happen, especially on the background on events in Europe, we will see. But anyway, currently we are not considering taking a long position, not only because of the reversal bar, but take a look, actually daily trend has turned bearish as well. So, and now we do not have even the formal context for taking the long position by far on a daily chart, so we do not have the pattern. And that once again explains why I always call for patterns, waiting for the patterns. So reversal patterns, grabber on intraday charts and bullish reversal pattern before taking the position. So now overall view currently stands bearish, at least in the short term. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see what has happened. This is also a reversal bar, significant bar. We have new ABCD pattern here. And take a look, market has broken the second confluence. Now it stands below it. It can't be action to the XOP because XOP was standing a bit higher. I mean initial minor ABCD pattern, XOP. And that opens road right to the 97.50 area, which is actually next more or less strong support. This is last major 618 support, and take a look, it creates agreement with the ABCD. On the momentum of this thrust down on this drop, well, I think the market should not have any problem to complete this OP target. Besides, between these two levels would not have any significant supports. It's actually some kind of the free space here. This market could keep going lower. So if you're a scalp trader, you're trading on intraday charts, you could focus just on the most recent downside action, this bar, and watch for levels if market will show any pullback, of course. So if it will be some kind of the minor ABCD pattern, you could consider taking the position at some of these levels. So most probably it will be 98.70 and 99.12 as confluence as well. But more probable this will be very small retracement, because currently is market not at support, not at some target. Hardly it will show deep retracement. It's more probable this will be just the trade. So that's actually what we have on Forex. Let's keep watching what will happen, and let's stay focused on the tomorrow and non-farm pro release.